Yo, it's me Vinex, and in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make a smooth slide transition in After Effects. It makes your edit look way better, so let's start the tutorial. So first of all, make an adjustment layer and just cut the extra parts and duplicate it for your second clip. After this, just put as more curves on your adjustment layer and just copy my steps. Repeat the same steps with the second clip, but we will change a few values, so just follow me. And to make it much better, we're gonna add directional blur on it. So just search directional blur and put it on your adjustment layer and just follow my steps. So in the last step, we will add black bars to make it look way better. So just create a solid layer and follow what I do. for today. What kind of tutorial do you want next? Tell me in the comments.